Astaneh Construction.
After checking out a number of different quotations and estimates for the job, we decided to go with Astaneh Construction.
The final product was so impressive. His team were so responsive. Every time I had a question or a need, they fulfilled it.
The job was done on time, it was cleaned up very well.
An unbelievable transformation.
We had the best experience with Hamed and with every single contractor, every person that he brought in. There's not one thing that we would change. We love it.
We hired Astaneh to help us renovate this kitchen that looked quite dated. I think the quality and craftsmanship speaks for itself, and we couldn't be any happier.
10 out of 10, I can't complain.
I mean, I'm going to be, I think, one of the other clients, on Google putting another 5-star review. So I'm very happy with this kitchen, and thanks to the entire team from Astaneh Construction and Hamed.
We really enjoy their work ethics and the professionalism that they bring to the customers.
Astaneh Construction. Unmatched quality.